Hello friends, so today we're going to be exploring the polar regions. And here's a polar bear. And this is by Ryan, which is me. So, here is our next slide. The polar zone is located at the poles. The Arctic and Antarctic are part of this region. The average temperature is 30 degrees Fahrenheit and below. Wow, that's super cold. It's like below freezing. The average precipitation is 16.9 inches. That's super low, according to the tropical and temperate. Also, the clothing you need to wear will be a really warm jacket and really warm pants. To be exact, you'll need everything you wear to be really warm. That's how cold it is. So it's snowing. And my person here is saying, "Brr, it's so cold." He's wearing a jacket, pants, shoes. He's even has some softies. He has his hands I just put mittens that are brown. I don't care. Here's his jacket. Here's his hat. And yeah. Now let's go to the next one. Animals in the Arctic. So because the Arctic is a little more hot, is a little more hot than the Antarctic, so that's why it has a little more animals than the Antarctic. So penguins, reindeer, orcas, polar bears, Arctic fox, and Arctic hares. And I think there's more. Reindeer are Santas. Seals and walruses. Wow. And just so you know, there are no fruits and vegetables in the poles because it's so cold. So animals in the Antarctica: penguins, seals, birds, albatrosses, and killer whales. Killer whales. And here's some fun facts. So summers are very cold here instead of hot. Wow, they must have a really bad time. They don't support human life, so we cannot live there. Aw. But scientists and explorers go there with special jackets that help them so they can withstand the cold temperatures. And yeah, that's why we know all this information. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!